Hey everybody, this is the second session of our Mosaic Mandala Design Workshop, and everybody's on the home stretch. This is Wendy's. It's gorgeous. Now she's a stained glass artist, so she's got some pretty good glass cutting skills. So she cut these yellow triangles out of art glass. Nancy's is gorgeous. I love this color combination. And piñata, Mexican, love it. We got the home stretch coming here. We're going to get there. We're going to get there because tomorrow night we grout. So we got to get this finished today, but I think we will. And look at this. Isn't this color combination fabulous? And I love the border as well. And kind of a peacocky thing going on here. Okay, over your Sheila's shoulder. Once again, I said it looks like a deck of cards. I love it. And this is, I love the individuality of everybody's work when they come to my workshops. Everybody does their own thing and kind of creates their own style. And this is Jeannie's, and we'll grout this in a pretty gray. And it's so amazingly organic. It's just gorgeous. And look at that circle. I will take credit for cutting that.
Used to.
And Chris is moving along a little slow, but you know what? We have time.
Yeah.
So she'll get it done. It's worth it because she's taking care in everything she does. And look at these soft colors. Oh, God, what a great job. And I think I've shown them. Yeah, that's all of them. So we'll have a few people are grouting tomorrow, and a few people will be grouting on Tuesday. So I'll be sure to post pictures when their creations are finished.